you're imitating the sound a cat makes. How fun! How about we all try to imitate the animal sounds? Yeah! Okay, let's play. It's Bam's turn. Bam, how does the lion sound?
Roar!
That's right! That's the sound a lion makes. The lion is a feline considered the king of the jungle. It is an animal that lives in groups called prides, and they're all great hunters. Male lions have a big mane and sharp, pointed teeth and claws. It's Acuarella's turn. Acuarella, how does the dog sound?
Woof! Woof! Woof!
That's right! That's the sound a dog makes. Dogs are domestic animals known worldwide. There's more than 300 different dog breeds. They can be very big or very small. And thanks to their snouts, they have an excellent sense of smell. They are the perfect companion for all families. It's Nesho's turn. Let's see, Nesho, how does the cat sound?
Meow! Meow!
Well done!
Yeah!
That's the sound the cat makes. The cat belongs to the feline family. It's a domestic animal with very soft fur and has amazing vision that allows it to move freely in the dark. It's Hoggie's turn. Hoggie, how does the rooster sound?
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
That's right! That's the sound the rooster makes. The rooster is a brightly colored bird with a large comb at the top of its head and very strong legs. Roosters wake up every day as soon as the sun appears. Although they spend most of their time on the ground, they can fly low. It's Mei-Li's turn. Mei-Li, how does the elephant sound? Well done! That's the sound the elephant makes. The elephant is the largest terrestrial animal on the planet. It has a long trunk that it uses to smell, hold objects, and drink water. Also to eat herbs and fruits. The elephant can stand on its back legs and has a great ability to swim. Animals are amazing, and it's so much fun to imitate them, right? Until next time, friends. And if you want to see another Plim Plim video, tap on the next one.